I'm about to show you how to find winning products that actually sell, the kind of products that can turn your Shopify store into a consistent, reliable source of income. This isn't about guesswork or hoping something will catch on. It's about using real tools, real data, and proven strategies to build a business that grows day after day. This video is essentially the next step after my last one in this series of starting your own dropshipping business, where I showed you how to build your own AI-powered Shopify dropshipping store in just 8 minutes. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to go watch it. These two videos are designed to work together. One builds the store and the other one fills it with winning products. Importing products is just a start. The real challenge and the real opportunity comes from knowing how to find those products that will bring in steady sales, attract repeat customers, and set your business up for long-term success. That's what separates a store that makes a few sales here and there from one that truly wins. My name is Reetu Maz, and on this channel, I talk about business and investing. My goal is to help you start your own business, grow your income, and build real wealth. I personally funded a grocery store, a 10,000 square feet event venue, and real estate investments, all thanks to my online businesses. So I'm proof this works for regular people. Every day I hear from my students and viewers who actually took action and people who launched their first stores, made their first sales, and hit their first $1,000 online. These stories keep me motivated, and I want that to be your story too. So if you're serious about building a real online business, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I really want you to do that because I want you to teach your algorithm to push you more videos like this one. The more you surround yourself with content like this and the more videos you watch like these, the faster you'll learn and the closer you'll get to financial freedom. In this day and age, you really become what you consume because social media and ads are everywhere. So make sure to use those to your favor. All right, no more waiting. Let me jump behind my screen and show you exactly how to find winning products. So here we are back inside AutoDS. If you still haven't signed up, all the links are going to be in the description box below. Remember, this is a follow-up video from the last one. Inside your dashboard, go to Add Products and then AutoDS Finder. Finder is designed to help you skip all the guesswork. It scans suppliers across different platforms and shows you what is already selling. These are products that are in demand, have a sales track record, and they're ready to be imported to your store. The AutoDS Finder feature works with credits. When you first register with AutoDS, you receive 400 free Finder credits to try out. By using my link in the description box, you can test AutoDS for just $1 for an entire month. So make sure you grab that before you get started. Inside Finder, you can choose between Basic, Popular, and Best Sellers. Basic will give you general product suggestions. Popular focuses on items with steady proven sales. Best Sellers shows you top products that are performing extremely well. Let's go with best sellers because of course we want to make as much money as we can. Apply the relevance filter. This means you are seeing items that are not just good products but great products. Finder will create a list of options for you. These products come from real data, not just random suggestions. This is really the difference between you going and finding good products to sell versus a software that does everything for you. You can even set Finder to automatically import new product suggestions into your drafts on a schedule. That way, your store is always getting fresh ideas based on real trends. What I don't want you to do, and I see a lot of beginners do that, is choose a product to sell just because you want to personally buy that or because you think it's cool. That's a common trap. Just because you like a product doesn't mean that it's gonna sell. Your job is to find a product that solves a problem or meet a real need for your audience. And I'm saying that because that has been me in the past too, where I just launched a business just because it's something I would personally want to buy. But unfortunately, that's not how it works. Think about it like this. You're not shopping for yourself, you're running a business. Your customers might want different things than you do. So trust the data, trust what's proven to sell, and focus on what your market actually wants. These products are here for a reason, and it's because AutoDS does the work for you. This mindset will save you a lot of time and money down the line. Using tools like these help you stay objective because they show you what's already working, not what you just hope will work. Once Finder has given you product ideas, you can take things even further with Ad Spy. Ad Spy is a complete game changer. It allows you to see in real time what's happening on social media. It lets you look at the ads that other dropshippers and e-commerce stores are running right now on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This is so powerful because you're no longer guessing. You can see exactly what products are being promoted successfully, what kind of ads are getting attention, and what strategies are working in the real market. You literally have a full blueprint. Products that sell plus their marketing strategy, which is all organic social media ads, which means you don't have to spend any money on ads. It truly doesn't get any better than this. If you've been enjoying this video so far, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. You can study ads that have thousands or millions of views and interactions. You can see whether the ad is a demo, an unboxing, a problem solver, or something funny or dramatic that catches attention. With this, you will know exactly how to market your product. You can even see what offers work. Is it free shipping, bundles, or discounts? What captions and CTAs are driving clicks? This tool really tells you everything. Instead of guessing what might actually sell, you actually get to see what already works, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can just take inspiration from them. When you find a product you like on Ad Spy, adding it to your store is super easy. Just scroll all the way down, you'll see the product listed there. Now, depending on your country, clicking it might bring up the product directly, but if it does not, like in this case, no worries. Just copy the product name exactly like how I'm showing you on screen, then head over to the marketplace and paste it in the search bar. That's it. You found the product, and from there, just import it to your store the same way we've done before. This platform is really a full automation platform that helps you run your business smoothly. In the Drafts tab, you can review every product you imported. This is where you clean up product titles, adjust pricing, and update descriptions to make your store look professional and trustworthy, just like how we did in the last video. The Products tab is where you manage the products that live in your store. You can change prices and even switch suppliers if needed. Pricing automation is one of the most powerful features. You set your desired profit margin and pricing rules once, and AutoDS automatically adjusts your prices if the supplier cost changes. This protects your profits without requiring constant monitoring. The Orders tab tracks every order from your customers, pending, fulfilled, or shipped. They can even automate order fulfillment by placing orders with suppliers on your behalf once your customer pays. You just need to have sufficient balance so AutoDS can place the orders for you. As I showed you in my last video, we built a store completely with AI on Shopify. That's where you will list your products. Once you're happy with your product selection and have finalized them in your Drafts tab, simply push them live with one click. Your chosen products will appear in your Shopify store, ready for customers to purchase. From there, your role is to keep your store organized and updated. AutoDS helps you manage pricing, inventory, and orders so you can focus on growing your business strategically with the successful marketing strategy that you can see in the Ad Spy tab. Try this out for yourself and give yourself a real chance of building an online business. It can help you bring in more cash or even help you quit your 9-to-5 so you can do something you actually love on your own time. But honestly, you won't know what's possible until you start. I want your key takeaway from this video to be this. You no longer have to guess or waste time trying to figure everything out. With AI and these type of tools like AutoDS, they do all the work for you. I mean, tools like Ad Spy literally tell you exactly how to market products, and that's usually the most expensive and time-consuming part of running a business. I'm also going to link down below another video in the description box on how to market your business online for free. If this video helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!